Let's now look at the situation of the doctors' strike. We understand that, the deepening health sector crisis seems to be far from over, with government and Council of Governors now accusing striking doctors of backtracking on the planned signing of a return-to-work formula. Counties, excuse me, are meanwhile mulling over the potential of sacking all the striking doctors. Doctors Union KMPDU are, however, unmoved, and they are saying tonight that the implementation of their CBA and payment of intern doctors is non-negotiable. Joseph Wahungu puts that story.
For the second day running, hopes of ending the 40 days doctors' strike hit a snag Tuesday, with the government and counties accusing striking doctors of refusing to call off their strike. Head of Public Service Felix Koskei says the Doctors Union KMPDU backtracked on an earlier agreement to sign a return-to-work formula with the government.
Solidarity forever. The union backtracked on the return-to-work formula that had been mutually settled on after a series of 6 marathon meetings. The union's new demand is an all-or-nothing out-of-court settlement.
Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakumicha disclosing that the government had set aside 6.1 billion shillings to meet doctors' demands, including payment of allowances.
Follow-up to the doctors' refusal to call off the strike, we have instructed our council to immediately move to court and file the status report as to what we had agreed to and initialed on as a return-to-work formula.
While refuting claims of reducing intern doctors' payment from 200,000 shillings, the Council of Governors had threatened to fire striking doctors and ensure immediate resumption of services in public hospitals.
Ni lazima sasa tufike mahali tuseme wananchi wameteseka ya kutosha, na tuwezi endelea kuzunguka kwa kiwanja na hakuna lolote ambalo wamesema wanataka hatujawapatia.
I cannot continue working for free for a union which is not respecting court orders. So I've instructed my payroll people not to remit the dues for this particular union.
In a rejoinder, KMPDU officials scoffed at what they termed government's empty threats aimed at twisting them to sign an unfavorable deal.
Tell us you're going to post doctor interns today and we'll pay them in July. We'll go back to work. But you tell us no, we'll pay them, we'll subject them to exploitation and to slavery. You say no.
Hawezi kuwa wanatoka safari zao ng'ambo, wanatuita usiku na kutushurutisha kwamba tutie sahihi katika mikataba ambayo lazima tuwajulishe members wetu kwamba hizi ndio vipengele ambavyo serikali imetwekea mezani.
The doctors have vowed to remain on strike until their CBA is fully implemented. For Prime Edition, I'm Joseph Wahungu.